natin yung camera. Move to the left. Okay, smile ng konti. Yan. Tatas na din ng konti. Papakit ng konti kumin sa kaliwa. Wait, yan. Kali. But to their body become one. Bila na sa kabila yan.
Tapusin mo.
Bakit hindi naman matapos sila yan?
I see you through this smoking air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close, but still alone away. What I'm trying to say, and I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never was
Nag-ibig yan. Dahil lang kasi yan.
It's so brand new. You're feeling in my key.
Tingin sa taas, tingin sa taas.
I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you.
Ay, galing Yan ang smile. Ay din. Yan. Ma-discover ka pa, di ba? Ayos.
I walk over you are.
Bila naman
We need no words at all.
Dahil na konti. Yan, lapit.
Slowly now when we begin to move.
Dahil na konti, okay.
Freedom, we can come deeper into you. Stepping over something inside. If you read my mind, see I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like you. It's so brand new. You feel it in my skin. You feel it in my skin because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true.
Pwede na. Mga-upload.
Anyone like this, it's so brand new. You feel it in my skin. I'm crazy for you.
Nax?
Crazy for you. You know I'm crazy for you, baby.
Ayan na. Wala ba naman, hindi naman matatapos yan. Kanina pa to
You know I'm crazy for you. When it's so brand new. You know I'm crazy for you. You know it's true. I'm crazy for you. I'm crazy for you. Thank you.
Last words. Oo.
Yan.
Dali. 9
Binabati
MB pa lang to eh. Sige, yan.
Binabati ko nga pala lahat ng mga taga Park Place. Lalong-lalo na si mayaman na dog.
Huwag mong isasama yung pangalan.